Okay, I'm not going to be putzing around with this anymore, as they say. I have made an executive decision. Since it's only the bottom half, this bottom part here that is really bad, I'm going to cut it. Instead of me sitting here pounding this lip all the way over, I'm just going to cut it. And believe it or not, I have a straight line already here cut, well, put out for me. Here, this tape. I just cut along there all the way across, and that should take care of this part here too. Here's where it actually blew out, and the rust is right about, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, right about there. So I'm going to be cutting above it. Then I just peel this off. Then I cut back on the other side, draw a line with a tape, and then cut that. Yeah, let me get to it. Yep, and this is where I'm at. All the way down. All the way down. The only thing I have to do is probably right around right here. Just have to grind down the edges, and I'll be able to pry this apart, this piece. Then I can actually see what I'm working with. I already know what I'm working with. Just gotta plan ahead. Okay. Well, I cut it. I did it. No turning back now, as they say. It may not be the straightest line, but I'll tell you right now, that's the best this old man's shaking hands can do. Now don't worry. We'll weld it all up and grind it down. It'll make it look pretty. And this part here is what I gotta cut next. But I'm not cutting it up to here to the wall. Just down here. There we go. That's it. Right there. I'm gonna cut it right about here. I'm going to cut it right about here, all the way across, up until here where these reinforcements are. I'm just going to cut it, these reinforcements are. I'm going to cut it right here, and then all the way across. There's like almost an invisible line here you can see. That's where I'm going to cut it till. Because up here, it's all strong metal yet. So I'm just going to cut it there, bend it to a 90 degree. Yeah, you can see the reinforcement right there. Right here. Just gonna, one hand, folks. That's what it is. Yeah, just gonna cut it. Where is it? Where's my hand? Oh. Yeah, just cut it right about here. Down. This part here, no problem. Yeah, this problem here, I'll just weld it right back up and grind it down. This is still good. This I'll just grind it down a little bit better. But on the other side, that's a different story. We have to find a piece of iron, cut this out, put some rust inhibitor here, I don't know if you can see the inside of there. Yeah, at least around here, the edges. And once I do that, weld a new piece in here, and then I can put a whole new piece up here. I always wondered why this tailgate was the heaviest. I mean, this is some thick metal here, folks. Real thick metal. I don't know. I think this might be 18 gauge. Not too sure. I don't have one of those gadgets out there that can determine the size of these metal. But here's the piece down here. I'm going to take that down to the metal place and just get the same gauge. Maybe they can tell me. Once I do that, hey, we're done. Just weld it up. Then I'm going to make it look pretty. Make it look pretty. Okay, folks. That's enough for me for today. Later.